G'day, Camo. Appreciate
Nick.
you getting stuck, mate.
Yeah,
On purpose this time.
Yeah, good to see you. No, I might point out, I have strategically bogged this one, but I am very good at it.
Yes.
Look, it's a cracking day here at Moreton Island.
Pretty good.
Sunny day. Doing some soft sand four-wheel driving. Very easy to get the car bogged, like behind me, which I might add I didn't do this time. I've
Thank you very
strategically done that. But you're going to talk us through probably the most commonly used, recovery system in four-wheel driving.
Snatch straps, mate. They are very popular, and they're popular for a reason. Most of the time, if you follow the right procedure, it's very safe. You just need to pick one for your weight car. You just go into your Opposite Lock and say, mate, I drive a, like this, Mitsubishi Pajero Sport or a Land Cruiser. This is what I have bolted to it. What size strap's going to suit me? This is a snatch strap. Obviously, you can see on the fibres of this, it stretches out and gives you between 20 and 40% stretch. That gives you kinetic energy to pull the person out. After 2 recoveries in a row, these fibres here, they get all stretched and tight. You need to rest them for 6 to 12 hours, depending on how hard you've pulled on it. Dig the car out as much as you can. Get some recovery tracks in there. Do everything you can so it's easy for the car to come out, and then use the second strap. Okay. Most of the time when you see these snap, it's because people are going too fast, or it's the 3rd or 4th attempt.
Yep. And
there's nothing left in it.
What else have you got there?
We've got your bow shackle. Depending on the shape, these are called bow shackles or D shackles. They have a serviceable working load. You need to make sure that's correct for your car and that the pin fits in the recovery tongue. Let's go have a look at the back of this cruiser and hook it up.
Follow you.
We've got our recovery tongue here, our bow shackle.
Yep.
Put it through. Obviously, you should remember this from last time. D-shackle all the way up.
Not too tight. Go back half a turn.
Inch blanket on.
Righto.
Now we just want to close it up together so it's right onto the D-shackle there. Yep. We'll hook up the other end and we'll get going and drag you out.
You'll take the slack off first.
Yep.
And then you'll give me the signal and I'll just start easing the throttle.
That's right.
In reverse, of course.
Correct.